How to read WhatsApp deleted messages. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can read deleted messages on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to read deleted messages on WhatsApp, let's say you open WhatsApp, somebody sends you a message but then they delete that message instantly. What do you do if you want to view that message? Well, even if they delete that message, as long as you have a certain feature on an Android phone turned on, you'll be able to find those messages. For this, open up settings. And now in my case, if I go to notifications and I go to advanced settings, I have this option on my Samsung phone called notification history. So you need to make sure that this is turned on. If this was turned off by default and only now you turn it on, you will not be able to see it. This needs to have been turned on before that person had even unsent the messages. What this does is that it is going to keep a track of any notification you received. So somebody sent you a message, you received the notification, your notification history has already tracked that notification. Now even if they delete that message, your notification history will still be able to tell who and what they sent. So when you go to here, you can simply look, let's say, for WhatsApp. Once you look for WhatsApp, you'll be able to see any sort of notifications that you've basically received from a certain person, and once you've done that, you'll be able to view even the unsent messages. So this is a feature called notification history. It's nothing really that special as well. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.